Zinc steel fence is made by high-quality square pipe. It have beautiful surface and simple style. Usually is used as garden fence or living place fence for decoration. In order to be consistent with the environment, many colors are offered to choose. Our fence is easy to install and has superior quality of guarding against theft. Spear top picket fence. This through picket style with a breast spear adorning the top not only provides the classic look by which it gets its name, it is also one of the more popular aluminum fences around, bringing an aesthetically pleasing visual appeal to your property. Spear top picket fence is one of the more fashionable decorative metal fences on the market and is available in R or sunleaves with a flush bottom rail option as well. Decorative rings and scrolls can be added for an even more ornamental look.